Hello, my name's Alejandro, and this is Tia Evelyn's cornbread recipe. You will need 2 cans of creamy style corn, 2 cans of whole kernel corn, 4 eggs, 4 ounces of butter, 16 ounces of sour cream, 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix, salt and pepper. First, you pour all of the Jiffy corn muffin mix inside your container. Next, put creamy style golden sweet corn in your container. Then we're going to mix. Next, put the whole kernel corn drained in the container. Now you have to mix. Next, you have to put the sour cream in the jar. Mix it all together. The melted butter. Mix it. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add the eggs slightly beaten. Now mix it all together. Put the mix in a 9 by 13 container. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Put it in the oven for 1 hour. The cornbread is ready when it's golden brown and it starts to crack. Remove the cornbread from the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes before serving. Delicious.